This is the pipe splice connection. Everything is built into the table. Now I'm adding 3 variables, so you can control the quantity of the bowl from here, say 5, 1, and thickness. If you didn't put anything, you were using the default. Say this is 2 inches. Then I can modify here. So you can see both is changed. And if you want change, say I want this way is 6. This is 2 column of bowl. You can modify. So they will give a control for each one. If you want, you can input here. Now let's say I adding another function from here. This was built for WPM. Now I can select connection. You can have multiple connections selected. And say export. Then they will export to a text file. In the text file, they will including the macro name and the type. So this is automatic. They including 2 parts. This is the GeoID of the 2 parts. Then those the variable name and variable value. So all the variable adjustable to the customer, to the user will be showing here. Now let's say there another function say import. So let's try say I close this, I delete this too. Now I say import. That's the same file. So it's import from the text file. So you will see this is the 622. Now let's say I want to change a little bit. So I open that file and I can say 6, I say 7, column say 1, and thickness change to 1.5, and save the file. Now I import again. So you can see this is change. This is change to 7 bowl, and the variable is the value is showing here. So these two is say you can do any connection made by the connection builder, and you can export. Then you can use as a template. Now by this format you can using your own import file, so you can get 100 connection with different type. You can import by one step. Let's say I can try a few other connection. Say, so I have a few connection here. Let's say I select 3. Export. So they'll export to here. Now I delete them. Import again. Yeah, so it's imported. There is another approach. You can using any .NET program to call it. So you will need adding to DAL file into the reference. Then this is the sample program. There's 2. One is import connection. You can call this method. This is the exactly same as we click the button on here. This one. So if you prepare a text file with the other connection information, then you can click this button, or you can run this executable file. Import connection. So this is the source code. And the other way is say you can have another, this is the sample, so you can say build 2 pipe. This is the pipe 1, this is the pipe 2. Then, sorry, this is the pipe 1 and this is the pipe 2. Then we have a method say give the other input variable. So this is the variable name, this is the variable value. And remember everything is string because this one is accept a formula. So if it's just direct value, just put it. If you need a formula, you can put a formula here. Then you can say add in a connection, say apply the connection. You can have a bunch of them to run at the same time, or you can run individually one by one. So you can using this sample file to get all information and build into your program. You can try this one, say it's running. So you can see this is the first portion is import the connection, and the second portion is creating 2 beam, 2 pipe, and a connection. That's the connection we are referring here. So you can say, see it's pipe splice connection. That's the import value. You can see it's over here. That's the import value here. So 4, 1, and 3/4. So 4, 1, 3/4. So you can do the same thing. You can get the variable name from the export text file, and this is macro name. So you can, I think you can do whatever you need from there. Thank you.